Hi, this is Bill McRae from ROI Marketing Systems. I am the president and CEO of this business. Got over 40 years of business management and marketing experience. And I want to share with you what ROI Marketing can do for your business, a business really of any size, from the smallest company up to the largest. We're really dedicated to helping businesses generate more profits. And we do that by using state-of-the-art marketing systems that we've designed and have built with the technology partners to provide for our clients. And these tools will allow you to prospect for new clients, allow you to communicate, and increase the loyalty and profits from existing clients, and then to cultivate repeat customers that refer your business, which is obviously what everybody wants. Nothing is better than a referral. We're going to start off with prospecting. Probably one of the least used and most effective ways to find new clients is through text ads. But very few people actually use them because of certain challenges. In our service, easy text ads will overcome those challenges for you. The challenge with SMS or text marketing, it's the same thing, is that most businesses do not have a mobile ready or mobile approved list to prospect. They may have the mobile numbers for clients, but not for the people that don't do business with them. So building your own prospecting list is just very technically challenging and extremely expensive, plus it's risky to do. And that's why most people do not use text marketing to prospect for new clients. The good news for you is you've discovered easy text ads as part of ROI marketing systems, and we solve all of these issues for you. And here are some of the benefits of marketing with text. SMS get 8 times the response rates of email. There's something like 32 trillion emails get sent a year. The vast majority, over 50%, end up in the spam box. And some people have so many emails coming in, they just end up deleting or never reading or sorting them into folders. They don't get seen because there's so much of it. Speed is another issue. 88% of text messages are read within 90 seconds from when they are sent by our system. You can measure your clients, or our clients, you can measure your direct response rate by using things like tracking links, coupon codes, and app downloads. Our marketing consultants will work with you in order to come up with systems where you can see your direct response rate. One of the great things about SMS marketing is the click-through rate. The number of times someone sees the ad and actually clicks on a link in there is 19% compared to email marketing, which is 3.2%. And I can tell you it gets even lower than 3.2%. 75% of the people would prefer seeing offers sent via text. That's a stat from the industry. More people use their phone than computers for purchasing decisions now. This is what is hard for people to understand. The phone has replaced your computer as a place to get information and make purchases. And the other great benefit of easy text ads is you can get immediate response from new clients in your zip code. And you can select multiple zip codes, a zip code at a time, whatever you want within the system. This is great. I have examples of this as we go forward. The other thing is you get maybe one text a day with the promotional offer. There's not very many businesses doing it, so you're going to stand out. Easy text ads is the best choice because we already have 170 million leads for the United States of America in our database. You can send messages to these leads. The system is fast and easy to use, and you can do it on a self-serve basis. We let you target clients by zip code. So if you want to pick a zip code in California, you can pick, let's say, one of the 17 zip codes for San Jose, for example. So you can localize your market. The system will also allow you to upload and add your own leads into it if you wish. You're going to be paying for the leads even if you send out messages, so you can do both. We don't ever import our leads on a duplicate basis. In other words, if you import 100 leads from a zip code one day and then you import 100 leads from that same zip code a week later, you will not be getting the same zip codes at all. They'll be never duplicated. And then we manage really all the issues with client complaints. We handle the account management. So your customers, our clients, are completely safe from lead changes, the challenges, and data management, which is a big reason why most people give up on text marketing. They may get a list of prospects that they buy off a list broker, and that doesn't give you permission to send messages to them, and they lose their SMS accounts and all sorts of things. So it can be extremely frustrating and take forever to do. We handle all of the technical side for our clients. You don't have to worry about it. And really as simple as 1, 2, 3. Your account needs to be activated and set up. Your salesman can help you with that. You just purchase the number of credits you want. You can import leads and send messages to those leads, or use your own data. So you just add leads and send out. It's real easy to use. Like I said before, we have 175 million verified and approved U.S. leads you can prospect to. Every one of our leads comes in. We have it based on permission. The numbers are tested. No message goes out to a bad number or disconnected number or anything like that. So it's all verified and approved. And then all your messages when they're sent in our system, they're sent out immediately within a few minutes, and you can actually see an immediate response from your campaign. So let's say it's a Thursday and you're worried about your sales for the weekend. You can send out text messages and generate business that weekend. I want to talk about communication and cultivation, because when it costs something like 9 times more money to find new customers than it takes to actually get more business out of existing customers by increasing loyalty and by providing an increasingly easier way for your customer to do business with you. That's where ROI Mobile comes in. ROI Mobile is a mobile app supplier, builder. Mobile apps are the fastest and least expensive and most reliable way to communicate with clients. When you send a push notification, you've seen those things pop up on your phone. They're read just as often as a text, but they're included in your monthly maintenance fee. So there's no fees to send them. There are approximately 6.8 billion mobile users in the world. There are more mobile users than there are people who have access to the internet. People spend about 86% of their average time on a mobile app when they're on their phone. Now, maybe a lot of it's Facebook, I understand, but the point is the apps have become the way that people spend their time on their phone. 95% of smartphone users look for local information on their phone. Yelp is a great example. I won't take my wife to dinner unless we Yelp it and take a look at it. 67% of people say they're more likely to buy a product or service from a mobile application. It's easy to do. If the app is set up right, you can place your orders, and it's super simple to do. And you can create loyalty programs to increase overall revenue by another 5 to 10%. But I think the biggest compelling reason why you need a mobile app is by 2025, mobile or m-commerce with mobile apps will dominate e-commerce. There's going to be more business done, I hate to say online, but via a phone than there will be, let's say, people migrating to a website. The actual use of the dollars, the amount of business going up here is just skyrocketing, as you can see. Going back to 2017 versus what's going to become 2020, it's doubled in a few short years. So why do people prefer mobile apps to websites for shopping? Well, it is easier. You can just click on the app, it pops right up. It's more convenient. You can track benefits and loyalty programs. Your settings are stored. You can find better deals that way. What I would do is offer better mobile deals, and you can actually personalize content more. So mobile apps are really the way to go in the future, and it goes beyond just ordering a pizza. In my own organization, we have a staff of 35 salespeople traveling the country. When they're making sales calls, communicating with them and being able to schedule meetings and all that stuff is very challenging, let alone updating them with the latest marketing information and stuff. We actually built a mobile app where I can send a push notification. They can pull the app up and see when the next sales meeting is scheduled. We have one every Wednesday, but they can see special notices. They'll be able to see videos on it. They'll be able to see their training materials. They'll be able to log in and check their commission status. There's just a lot of things that allows us to improve our productivity as a sales organization. So it goes beyond ordering a pizza or something from Amazon. Businesses can use them internally to help manage their business and communicate with people. We put our phone numbers in there. They can send me voice notes. They can schedule people's time on my calendar. It's really a fantastic way to run a business. M-commerce by 2025 are expected to surpass e-commerce. Now, let me clarify this a little bit. E-commerce is really, M-commerce or mobile commerce is really part of e-commerce. So it's a subset of e-commerce. But by 2025, there will be more done via the mobile apps than there is going to be compared to people going to a website, for example. Mobile commerce is expected to exceed $336 billion with the B dollars in 2020. So, and Deloitte Touche recently said that they expect more than 50% of shoppers to dedicate their holiday shopping budget to online shopping, with 40% of those people expected to at least use their mobile smartphone to access a retailer's shopping cart online and stuff like that. So it's growing unbelievably fast, and by 2025, it will surpass all other forms of e-commerce. We provide a robust, affordable solution. We don't price our apps the same as other companies do because we're a whole service company. We offer other products as well. We designed them for iPhones. We designed them for Android and as a mobile website, but not just any type of mobile website. There was called a progressive web application. Essentially, you take the functionality, things like the GPS and things that are inherent to phones that aren't on normal websites. And with our progressive web app, we're going to be able to provide you with a mobile version of your phone app that gives you all those features as well. So people can pull that up and use that. It's also a great way to generate a lot of traffic because all the links that can feed to it from social media sites and stuff. So it's a phenomenal thing to do. And we give you all three of these solutions for one price. Since our business is mobile-based, in other words, everything we're doing is mobile. We do text marketing, we do mobile apps, we do mobile management. We're able to provide these things for a lot lower price than most companies. And we even are offering a payment program so that any business that really wants to, well, every business should have a mobile app. They can afford a fully functional mobile app, not a cheesy little chinkadero thing, but something that can take orders, make appointments, schedule things, manage people. They can afford that with our system because we will have a payment program for the app itself in addition to our hosting program. So let me kind of elaborate. Amazon is kind of driving all this. Amazon is expected to hit like 50% of all e-commerce by 2025 as well. I mean, that's a lot of business we're talking about doing. 50% by 2023. So you got to wonder how many companies are going to go out of business because of Amazon. By 2024, Amazon is going to be worth $2.5 trillion, by far the most valuable company in the world. So what's driving Amazon's growth is their use of the mobile app. And they have multiple mobile apps. But one of them is obviously, and this is what my wife and I do, we have our phones with us all day long, and we simply add things to our shopping cart. At the end of the day, she goes, anything else? And nope, and it's there the next day. We want something delivered from a grocery store and we don't want to go out. We hit Amazon now, and we order, and Whole Foods stuff gets delivered within a couple hours. They're making it easy for you to do business. And what they're going to do is put out a business to all the companies that don't try to keep up with Amazon. Well, you can do the same thing they're doing. You can adapt a mobile philosophy in any industry, and we can help you make your business completely able to compete with the biggest. What you're going to see here in a few years, and you're already starting to see, is you're going to go to a mall where you used to go Christmas shopping, and half the stores are going to be gone or closed. those strip malls are going to dry up and disappear. A lot of those businesses will stay around, but what they'll be doing is using a delivery service, and people will be ordering via their mobile apps. Mobile apps are the future. If you're not there, you need to get there. And we would love to help you take that next step. Because our solution really does, it allows you to compete toe-to-toe with the big companies. No matter how small you are, you could be doing $50,000 in sales and still have the same functionality as Amazon. You just need to be able to, to be able to have the vision and foresight, invest into the mobile app. It's quite affordable, and then take the time to grow the thing. You're going to have the same functionality, and even better. You can have even better because you'll be able to personalize your content and provide very rich experience to your customers. Like I release videos every day. All that stuff is going to go to our clients or our salespeople. Very rich experience. You can reward in-app purchases by having special pricing. People will go, okay, I don't want to go shopping. I'm going to look and see if there's any promotions. You can provide added value services. Share all your content from social media, videos, and images, and then communicate about special events. We're going to have a holiday barbecue, or we're going to have a Get Out the Boat campaign. And then all sorts of loyalty programs. Buy 5 times, get 10% off. The mobile app will track it for you. So with ROI Marketing Systems, you really have a partner to grow with that will allow you to compete and thrive in a hyper-competitive environment. And this means that you're going to have a brighter future. It's just yours for the asking right now. So what I want you to do is go to our website, find your ROI marketing consultant, sit down and have them help you plan a brighter future. That's all you need to do. Go to roimarketingsystems.org, contact your salesman, and your business can be growing better than ever.